Comes to a solar installation, what kind of guarantees, warranties come with the system itself and comes with the installation?
Obviously, there's a lot of different warranties offered throughout the industry, but I'm going to answer that question in terms of what you should be looking for. And also to let everybody know that the three companies that I work with all fall into this category where they're giving, basically the same warranty for everybody, which is what you should expect. So for panels, I really prefer American-made panels by American Act. They're quality. Silfab has an absolutely phenomenal product. Again, those are made in North America. And the power production warranty on those is 30 years. And I frequently get the other questions like, well, what happens in 30 years? It's under warranty for 30 years. There's no expectation that, at 30 years, it's going to hit the timer and everything's going to stop. If I'm a manufacturer and I'm giving something 30 years, I have every expectation it's going to perform 40, 45, because I don't want to be going back and replacing, a gazillion panels in 30 years. So
Right.
The inverters, about a 25-year warranty. So the system itself, 25 to 30 years, depending on the component, which is fabulous. And again, there's no expectation that when the warranty's over, it's over. So those are on parts, just like your car. Something goes wrong with your car, it's under warranty, but they're not covering the labor. So a good company is going to cover the labor as well for any part failure. Manufacturer's got you covered for 25, 30 years, but a good installer that stands behind their works and say, look, anything goes wrong with your system for like 5 years at least. And people are like, well, why can't it be 10 years, 20 years? Here's a fun fact. And I don't know if I covered this on another video, but if anybody asks you, hey, do you want this extended warranty? Don't. As long as you're getting at least a 5-year warranty. And the reason for that is because the fail rate of most solar components, at least quality solar components, stuff that that I would recommend using, if there is a fail rate which is infinitesimally small, it's going to happen in the first 2 years. 98% of fails are going to happen in the first 2 years. So if I'm already bumper to bumper warranty, 5 years parts and labor, manufacturers covering me out 30 years, whatever, odds are, am I really going to get much value from spending money up front on extended warranty based on what you're getting it for free? And that's the way it should be done.
Nice.